Welcome folks, and thank you for stopping by. Okay, well this is another one of my microphone reviews, and this time around I'm about to do a review of the Jounivo, I hope I'm saying this name right, Jounivo mic, condenser microphone. It's a USB microphone that you hook up to your computer and everything. And I would like to thank the folks at Jounivo for sending this out for our review. So, let's get right to it. Alright folks, so we're going to get right to the unboxing of this box here and see what's inside. Alright, so I'm going to open it up and everything. Okay, look for the flaps. Uh-oh. I should have got my nail file. There we go. Ooh. Well, I opened it with my fingernail. Alright, so we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we got the oh, it's on one piece, folks. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is all in one piece, folks. Got a little instruction manual for the microphone itself. That's cool. And it's very well wrapped up. So let's take it out the wrap here. Oh man. Oh wow, okay. So you basically move around the gooseneck a bit. It's one of those microphones where you can just adjust it any way you want, which is really good. I'm already liking it. Okay, I see it's got some sort of, oh, I think that's a mute button. Okay, and oh yeah, it's got a, looks like something like a volume knob on here. Oh, that's good. Okay, and of course you plug this right in. I don't see no CD to mess with, so this is definitely plug and play. Well folks, you know what? We're going to go ahead to the next scene and actually try this microphone out. See how it sounds. Hello folks. Now we're at the part of the video where we check out the features as far as the sound quality and basically check out how well this microphone works. So right now the audio you're hearing is from the webcam that we're using for this part of the video, and as you notice the audio is good. So in the next clip we're going to actually be using this microphone for our audio. So on to the next. Alright folks, we're at the part of the video where we actually try out the sound quality of this microphone, and as you can hear, it's definitely on. And one of the reasons I know it's definitely on is because of this green light that's on this microphone. And I'm also playing with the sensitivity. So right now I'm seeing this green light right here. See that green light? Alright, I'm seeing that blinking, which lets me know that the microphone is live. It's receiving sound and stuff. Normally, if it wasn't receiving sound, if a program wasn't accessing it and everything, the green light would just stay green and wouldn't be blinking like that. So I know it's working. And also, I'll notice that it has a sensitivity knob on here. And right here, adjusts the sensitivity of the microphone. So I'm going to play with that a little bit, see what that's about. Let's see. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to be able to hear it because I don't have no audio monitoring on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boot up Audacity, and I'll be able to actually see it. You better see it too. By the way, Audacity is a free sound editor program you can download off the internet, and it's a great program to play around with, especially when you want to edit sounds. So we're going to use this program to show the capabilities of this microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and record. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Wee-hee-hee. Okay. Let me see what it looks like. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Wee-hee-hee. Okay. Well, it's doing pretty good. Okay, well, I like that. I also noticed that on the sound graph itself, there's no noise right there whatsoever. So it records a pretty clear sound. So that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record again, but this time I'm going to play with the sensitivity of the microphone with this knob right here. So I'm going to play with that while we're talking. See what that's about. Alright, here we go. Testing 1 2 3. 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 Huh. Looked like on the graph itself it was going up and down. Let me hear this. I gotta hear this. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Oh wow. So as I was lowering the settings on here, it went down, and then when I turn it back up, so you can adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. That's good. Okay. Alright. So instead of having to, go into a program and readjust everything, you can actually, whatever program you're using, set the microphone on its highest setting in that program, and then if you need to adjust it on the fly, just turn the knob on here. That's it. Just turn the knob. Okay. So the other feature of this microphone is, well, it has a mute button on here. So we're going to try out the mute button. Let's see what the mute button is all about. Alright, so I'm going to do this. So I'm going to record again. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now I'm going to hit the mute button right now. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now, according to what I'm seeing on the screen, on the Audacity, when I hit the mute button at this point, y'all did not hear me at all. No sound came through this microphone. So man, if I'm gonna hit it again, I also know the mute button works because, well, I bet it's better for me to show you than tell you. So what I'm going to do is show you. Alright, right now the microphone's on. Now I'm hitting the mute button. I just turned the mute back, I just turned off the mute button. So it definitely works. It definitely works. Let me hear it on my end. Okay. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now I'm going to hit the mute button right now. Wow. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Interesting. Well, the mute button on here works. What can I say? It works really, really well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this microphone
for, you know, if you're using Skype or video chatting. Also, you can hook this microphone up to your PS4. Yeah, I read that in the manual. You can actually hook this microphone up to your PS4, so that's good. That's very interesting. You know, especially when you want to turn off, you know, conversations you don't want anybody else to hear while you try talking with your friends and everything. You just hit. Nobody don't hear nothing. Turn it off. So I definitely would recommend getting this microphone, especially when you want to keep conversations private, you know. Okay, well, I definitely like this microphone. As a matter of fact, I like this microphone so much that I'm going to put an Amazon link in the description below so that you'll be able to get this. And it's definitely worth it. So, thank you for watching. Leave any comments, and of course likes, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a nice day.